I'm going to show you how to use Xilsoft video converter. This is every time we shoot and every time we want to transfer files online, so we'll be doing this. This is a Mac software. Okay, the first thing we need to do is when you're installing and when you are using this, make sure you are disconnected from the internet. Okay, once you've opened it, simply go and throw all the files here. Okay, once all the files are here, go here. This is all where all the profiles are. So in this case, we go with HD and MOV HD. Okay, and then we go and change the file size to HD. This to 12,000K bitrate, and in most cases, everything else just let it be the way it is. Okay. After you've done this, go to Browse. Go to the same folder where the files are and create a new folder called, for example, 0, and choose. Just make sure it's not the same folder. Choose. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So after that, all you have to do is press start, and all of these will be converted to a smaller size.